Future perfect continuous tense. I will have been doing, I will not have been doing, will I have been doing, will I not have been doing, what will I have been doing, what will I not have been doing. You will have been doing, you will not have been doing, will you have been doing, will you not have been doing, what will you have been doing, what will you not have been doing. He will have been doing, he will not have been doing, will he have been doing, will he not have been doing, what will he have been doing, what will he not have been doing. She will have been doing, she will not have been doing, will she have been doing, will she not have been doing, what will she have been doing, what will she not have been doing. It will have been doing, it will not have been doing, will it have been doing, will it not have been doing, what will it have been doing, what will it not have been doing. We will have been doing, we will not have been doing, will we have been doing, will we not have been doing, what will we have been doing, what will we not have been doing. You will have been doing, you will not have been doing, will you have been doing, will you not have been doing, what will you have been doing, what will you not have been doing. They will have been doing, they will not have been doing, will they have been doing, will they not have been doing, what will they have been doing, what will they not have been doing.